Short run stamping is really a misnomer. It has more to do with the style of tooling that we use to produce parts than it does the volumes that we produce them in. On the low end, we can be very competitive on a complex geometry. On the high end, we can compete with a long run, a progressive die house with a simpler part with easier geometries. Hi, I'm Rob Stolman, Vice President of Sales for Service Stampings Incorporated. We're a short run stamping company based in the east side of Cleveland. As an example, we can produce this piece out of cold rolled steel, 1/4 inch thick, in the 100,000 piece range and be competitive with a progressive die stamping company. Conversely, a piece such as this that has some more geometries to it, some PEM standoffs, etc., we can be very competitive on 50 pieces or less. Using short run tools, which are in the easiest way possible station dies, where on an order for 50 pieces, we will blank 50 pieces, we will pierce 50 pieces, and then form 50 pieces. So it is more labor intense than a progressive die type stamping, but we can achieve more complex geometries in a shorter number of operations than a fabricator. Some of the parts that we're most proud of were areas that we could save our customer money through value engineering. This particular piece is a 3-piece weldment, and when we originally received the drawings, there was 3 individual pieces to it that had different geometries. When we engineered it for them, we asked them how the piece was used, we asked for a current sample of their completed assembly, and we were able to offer them the option of matching the 2 end caps for the weldment. So on an order of 10,000, we produced 20,000 ends and 10,000 mids and weld them all complete. This particular piece is a motor mount for an HVAC hot water heating system. Relatively heavy piece. There is a lot of quality testing that goes into this piece as far as tear values, weld quality, etc. This piece out of aluminum, thin gauge aluminum, is used as an armrest in the airline industry. They brought this to us as a problem child. They had capabilities to make this part in-house, but they couldn't get the aesthetics the customer was looking for. What makes this piece unique is all of this intricate forming is done with neoprene-coated tools, so there's no witness marks on any of the forming operations. And as you can see, it's a beautiful cosmetic part. This mechanical assembly is one of our newest pieces, and we're very proud of the form, fit, and finish of the part. Their former supplier of this part did everything on a press brake. So to make this leg assembly here, there was 11 individual bends to it. We do it in 2 operations. One of the capabilities that we employ that some of our short-run competitors don't is the ability to do drawn parts. We've been in the business since 1957, and drawn parts are still somewhat of a black art. You can take them from a 3D program, but putting the metal to the metal and making the part is a difficult task that you need craftsmen to be able to do. And this is just an example of a few of the parts that we do. A couple of lighting applications, a military application, and actually a rabbit's foot bracket. We look forward to you adding Service Stampings to your cadre of preferred vendors.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.